Okay, everyone, are we ready? Let's go and do it. Let's go and compare the numbers. Follow the first examples with me, okay? We have 475 and 189. We will compare using the hundreds digits because they are not the same. So circle the hundreds digits. Here we have 4 and here we have 1. Which one is the greater? 4 or 1? Which one is more? Which number is bigger? 4 or 1? 4 is greater. That means that whole number here is greater number. Which crocodile will come and eat the greater number? This one or this one? That one with his mouth open this way because he will eat this number. He will come and eat it. You can also use what I call a Pac-Man. You know Pac-Man? He will have his eye looking at the bigger number and his mouth open to eat the greater number. So this number is greater. The sign show this way. Greater than 260 and 260. These numbers have same digits. That means that this number is equal. Next one, we have 70, 32 and 732 and 756. This is the time when the hundreds are the same. Can you see? That means we cannot use the hundreds. What are we going to use? We will use the tens digits. There and there, the ones in the middle. Here we have 3, here we have 5. Which of these is greater, 3 or 5? Which one is more, which one is bigger, 3 or 5? 5 is greater. Which crocodile will eat it? This one with the mouth open this way or this one? This number is greater. 756 is greater number. So this crocodile will come and eat it. The mouth will be open this way. And the Pac-Man as well will look at the bigger number ready to eat it. That's the sign. You see, the sign says less because this number is less than the greater number. Number 2, 603, 544. Which one is greater? We will start with hundreds digits. Here we have 600. Here we have 500. Which one is greater? 6 or 5? 6 is greater. So the whole number here is greater. 603 is greater. Which crocodile will eat it? That one. Or my favorite Pac-Man will come and eat it. The mouth will be open this way. See? 162, 182. As you can see, the hundreds digits are the same. So we cannot use them. We will use the tens digits, okay? The tens digits are in the middle, 6 and 8. Which one is greater? 6 or 8? 8 is greater. So this number is greater number, all of it. Which crocodile will come and eat it? This crocodile with his mouth open to eat it. And 877, 877. You can see the digits are the same. That means the numbers are equal. 139 and 391. The hundreds digits are not the same. We can use them to compare which one is greater, 1 or 3. 3 is greater. Which crocodile will come and eat the greater number 391? The one that mouth opens this way because it will come and eat it. Or my favorite Pac-Man will come and eat it this way with his eye looking at the greater number. So the mouth and the sign will be open this way. It says less than. This number is less than this number. 475 and 375. The hundreds digits are not the same. That means we can use them to compare. 4 and 3. Which one is greater? 4 or 3? 4 is greater, so this whole number is greater number. Which crocodile will come and eat it? This one or that one? That one. It comes and get the number. So the mouth will be open this way, just like this. 903, 903. You can see that the numbers are the same. It means they are equal. 262 and 232. The hundreds digits are the same. We cannot use them. That means what? That means that we will use the tens digits, 6 and 3. So which one of these is greater? 6 or 3? 6 is greater, so this number is greater. Which crocodile will come and eat the greater number? This crocodile, or my favorite Pac-Man, with his eye looking at the greater number. So the sign will go this way. See? 950, 950. You can see that the numbers are the same. That means they are equal. Now this one is tricky. Be careful. We have 950, 1000. Do you remember what I told you? If you have numbers with 3 digits, 3 numbers, and numbers with 4 digits, like this, 4 numbers, the number that has more digits is greater. So here, 950 has 3 digits. 1000 has 4 digits. Which number has more digits? 1000. That means 1000 is greater. Which crocodile will eat it? This one. His mouth will open this way. 148 and 172. Oops, I didn't want to give you the answer. I wanted my pen. I'm so sorry. Again, we cannot compare using the hundreds. We will compare using the tens. 4 and 7. Which one is greater? 7. So the Pac-Man will open his mouth this way. 502, 502. You can see the digits are the same. That means they are equal. 246, 231. We cannot use the hundreds because they are same. We will use the tens. 4 and 3. Which one is greater? 4 or 3? Which one is bigger? I cannot hear you. 4 is greater. That means that whole number on this side is greater because 4 is greater. The Pac-Man will come and eat the greater number. The Pac-Man looking with his eye at the greater number with his mouth open this way. Also, this crocodile can come and eat the greater number. His mouth is open also this way. So, that was equal, and that is the sign which says greater. Number 6, 800 and 399. Very easy because the hundreds digits are not the same. We have 8 and 3. So which of these is greater, 8 or 3? 8 is greater, so this number is greater. The Pac-Man will eat the greater number. Looking at the greater number. See? The Pac-Man eats the greater numbers. 653, 660. We cannot use the hundreds digits because they are the same. We will use the tens digits in the middle. We have 5 and 6. Which one is greater, 5 or 6? 6 is greater. That means the Pac-Man will come and eat the greater number. That one is the greater number. So his mouth will open this way. Also, the crocodile will come and eat the greater number. His mouth also open this way. See? 413 and 305. We have different digits for the hundreds, so we will start with hundreds. Here we have 4 and here we have 3. Which one is greater? 4 is greater, so that means that this number is greater and Pac-Man is ready to eat it with his big mouth open. Greater number, the Pac-Man goes to eat it. His mouth opens this way. Just check if I draw my Pac-Man correctly, this way, and here that way. Very good. Number 7, 728, 728. Same number, same number. That means they are equal. Let's go to the next one. We have 450, 440. Again, we cannot use the hundreds. What is this? We will use the tens, not a big deal. 5 and 4, which one is greater, 5 or 4? 5 is greater, so which crocodile will come and eat it? That one or that one? That one. Or my favorite Pac-Man comes and eats the bigger number, looking with his eye on their greater number. Let's go to the next one. 926, 854. The hundreds are not the same. We can start with hundreds. We have 9 and 8. Which one is greater, 9 or 8? 9 is greater. So this number is greater. Which crocodile will come and eat it? That one. Or the Pac-Man as well, with his big mouth open and with the eye looking at the greater number. Just check if we have the correct answers. Yes, we do. And that's the last one, please. I think it's on the page 400. Okay, do you remember what did I say about the digits? If the number has 4 digits and a number that has 3 digits, which one is greater? The one that has 4 digits or 3 digits? The one that has more digits, 4. So 1000 is greater than 999. Very good. 286, 189. Which number is greater? 200 or 100? 200. So the Pac-Man eats the greater number. 408, 413. As you can see, hundreds are the same. You cannot use the hundreds, so you will use the tens. Here we have 0, and here you have 1. So which one is greater, 0 or 1? 1 is greater. My Pac-Man comes and eats the greater number. That's on this side with his eye. So 413 is greater. The mark goes this way. And we are done. Now get ready with your math workbook. Pages R105 and P105. Ready? Steady. Here it comes. Write the number in standard form and then compare. Let's go. We will write 4 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 once. 4, 5, 5. 4, 5, 5. 455. Let's go and count how many, what's the number here? We have how many hundreds? 3 hundreds, 2 tens, 6 ones, 3, 2, 6, 3, 2, 6, 3, 2, 6, 326. That's the numbers in the standard form. Now let's go and compare them, please. As you can see, this one has 4 hundreds. And as you can see, this one has 3 hundreds. So which one is more, 4 or 3? Which one is greater, 4 or 3? Which one is bigger number, 4 or 3? 4 is greater. That means that this number is greater number. Who will come and eat it? The Pac-Man will come and eat it. This way, looking at that greater number. That's it. Let's go to do the next one. Just make sure that you have, oops, that will be 313. 3 hundreds, 1 10, and 3 ones. 313. What about here? 300, 2 tens, that will be 20, and 3. 323. 323. Now let's compare them. As you can see, the hundreds are the same, so we cannot use the hundreds. We will compare using the tens. 1 10, 2 tens. Which one is greater? 1 is greater or 2 is greater? Which one is more, boys and girls? Which one is more, 1 or 2? 2 is more, so this number is greater number. Who will come and eat it? The Pac-Man will come and eat it, and he will look at the food that he goes to eat. So the mouth will be open this way, and it says that 313 is less than 323. That mark says it's less. Just check if you have the correct answers. Yes, we do. Next page, P10-5. Now, girls and boys, what I'm going to do, I am going to let you to do this page alone. And what you have to do is to ask your mom to stop the video now and let you to work on your own. When you finish completing this page, your mom will play the video again and you can see if you have the correct answers. You will check the answers. You can use also the red pen like the teachers do, okay? So, one more time, I want you to stop the video and work on this page alone. You need to compare using these marks. Please stop the video now and work alone. Okay, I believe that you play the video again, and now I'm ready to give you the answers. Please check how many mistakes did you make. Make corrections if you had mistakes, please. Oops. That's our answers. Here we go. Please check. Okay, I hope you didn't have too many mistakes, or maybe you didn't have any. That would be great. I hope girls and boys, that you understood this lesson. It was not very difficult, it was a little bit easy. And if you did not understand, we will practice some more during the revisions. So now it's time to have some fun. Bye. See you tomorrow.